हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका अपना फार्मा टेक आईक्यू चैनल पे। आज फिर से हम कुछ फार्मा जॉब वैकेंसीज लेके आए हैं। जो पहली वैकेंसी हम लेके आए हैं वो गल्फा लैबोरेटरीज में है, जो एस्टैब्लिश हुई है 1986 में और मुंबई बेस्ड कंपनी है। जो ये एक्सपेंशन कर रहे हैं अपने जनरल डिवीजन में, जिनको एरिया मैनेजर चाहिए मदुराई में, जिसकी एज 33 से नीचे होनी चाहिए और जिनका कम से कम 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए एज ए मैनेजर। इनको साथ में मेडिकल रैप्स भी चाहिए जो मल्लापुर चेन्नई, तंबारम चेन्नई और मदुराई में इनको एज ए मेडिकल रैप चाहिए, जिनको कम से कम मिनिमम 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो और एज लिमिट 27 की हो एज ए MR। और इनकी डिग्री कोई भी ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री होनी चाहिए। इफ समवन इंटरेस्टेड टू ज्वाइन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन मेंशन मोबाइल नंबर और शेयर योर CV ऑन मेंशन ईमेल ID। Another vacancy is for Zydus Healthcare. Zydus Healthcare established in 1952 at Ahmedabad. Vacancy is for business executive in respiratory division. Location is South Delhi and North Delhi. For South Delhi, Saket, Malve Nagar and Max is the area, and for North Delhi, Patel and Model Town is the area. For qualification, pharmacy or science graduate with good communication skills and age not more than 28. Minimum 1 year experience in same area they will prefer. If someone interested, so please share your CV on mentioned email ID to join Zydus Healthcare for North Delhi and South Delhi as a business executive. Another vacancy is for Mankind. Mankind is Delhi-based company established in 1995. They require medical representative MR. Division is super special division, Derma division. Location Amritsar. Qualification graduate B Pharma BSc and age maximum 27 they require. Experience minimum one year in Derma segment. If someone interested, so please contact Mr. Sunil Kumar on mentioned mobile number or share your CV on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for IndSwift. IndSwift laboratories established in 1995 at Chandigarh. They required RSM for Ludhiana headquarter and required area business managers for Amritsar, for Punjab area, Jammu for J&K area, Kangra or Hamirpur for Himachal area. Qualification they require B Pharma BSc graduate having good communication skills. Criteria minimum 2 to 3 years experience in same post. Candidate having good experience in gynae, GP, pedia segment will be given preference. Age for RSM is 40 to 45 and 35 to 40 for ABM. If someone interested to join IndSwift as a RSM or a area business manager for mentioned headquarter, so please share your CV to Mr. JS Rana on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Cipla. Cipla is Mumbai based company and established in 1935. They require medical representative for Ludhiana headquarter for ortho division. Minimum 1 year experience candidate they prefer in ortho specialty. If someone interested, so please contact on mention mobile number. Another vacancy is for Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma is based at Mumbai and established in 1983. They require sales executive at Patiala headquarter for Euro and Onco division. Qualification they require BSc B Pharma and age limit is 26 years. Experience candidate can be preferred. If someone is interested to join Sun Pharma as Patiala headquarter for Euro Onco division, so please contact on mention email ID or share your CV on mention email ID. Another vacancy is for Pfizer. Pfizer is an American multinational pharmaceutical company established in 1949 at US. They require medical representative and area business manager. For medical representative, they have vacancy in Kota, Gwalior and Ludhiana. Minimum criteria is 1 year experience candidate as a medical representative or as a manager they prefer. For area manager, they have requirement in Jaipur area. Experience 2 to 3 years in same headquarter. Interested candidate can share your CV on mentioned mobile number. Another vacancy is for Microlabs. Microlabs Limited based at Bangalore, established in 1973. The vacancy is for diabetic care division for Gurgaon headquarter for territory executive. Age limit is 28 and covering area is Gurgaon and Faridabad. If someone interested to join Microlabs as a territory executive in Microlabs, so please contact on mention email ID or mobile number. होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इसके लाइक कर दीजिए, कमेंट करिए, शेयर करिए और अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फार्मा टेक आई।